Tired of wasted hours manually editing each of your Printify listing mockups one by one? Here at Batchify, we were equally annoyed. That's why we created Printify Mockup Fixer. Just save your favorite mockups on one listing and we'll take care of the rest. Just like our plugin. Let's not waste time. I'll quickly show you how it works. After you've installed our plugin, which will have a link below or in the pinned comment in the video, then you will go to your Printify products page. Select the product you've already selected your favorite mockups on. Then click the Batchify Mockup Fixer plugin and select Capture Mockups. This process should only take a couple seconds. Once complete, you can go back to the main page for your Printify product. Select only the same product, so in our example is a Printify Choice mug. Then select Replace Mockups. It will then begin automatically replacing the mockups. Just sit back and let it do its thing. We recommend not using your computer while it works to avoid anything mucking about ruining the process. I'll speed up the video, but you can still see how it works. If you're on a newer Printify account, keep an eye out for this pop-up asking to use their AI for your listing info. You can actually just skip or opt out of this. Batchify's bulk uploader already takes care of the heavy lifting, and it automatically customizes everything for the exact marketplace you're selling on. Well, that's it. As you can see, it has replaced the mockups with the exact ones that we've selected in the template product, and they're now ready to be published to your store. The plugin is completely free. You get up to 100 mockup fixes as a free user and unlimited fixes if you're on any of our other plans. Combined with our bulk uploader, this is an absolute game changer in automating and scaling your business.